Welcome back to our channel for another installation day, and today we are at Eurospeed Motorsports for the installation of Brooke Race Exhaust System on our client's 2023 GT4 RS. So here it is, the factory exhaust system that we remove out from the car and put it side by side to compare with the Brooke Race exhaust system. So now we'll talk a little bit more about the details of this very beautiful Brooke Race exhaust system. So first of all, this Brooke Race exhaust that we have here is the one without the valves. So as you can see on the design itself, it does not have valves, it does not have the mufflers. So this is a straight through layout, the loudest option from Brooke. And also this factory exhaust system, as you can see, it is very heavy, very bulky. With the factory exhaust system on the GT4 RS, even though you do have the valves control function, when the valves are fully open, it is not loud at all. It is very muted, very restricted on the sound level because of the design itself. And that's why our client decided he wants something that is very loud but without triggering the check engine light. So he didn't want to replace the cats, the headers, and he went with this Brooke Race exhaust system, the rear section without the valves. This Brooke Race exhaust system, it is made out of Inconel 625 materials, so this can definitely withstand a lot higher temperature compared to the factory system. And also the Inconel material, it actually can withstand higher temperatures than titanium materials. While for the tips option, our client didn't want to go with any aftermarket tips, so he opted to go with the factory tips. And these factory tailpipes, in case if you don't know, it is actually produced OEM by the one and only Akrapovic. So these tailpipes, they are titanium material, superb finishing, and also it looks really nice. And later we'll just plug in this onto the Brooke Race system and install the exhaust onto the car. So with the Brooke Race exhaust system, especially this one without the valves, without the muffler, definitely the GT4 RS will sound a lot louder than how it was with the factory exhaust system. And also because of the design itself, it reduced a lot of weight compared to the factory system, so that you get the proper sound, proper performance, and also proper weight reduction over the factory system with the Brooke Race exhaust system. And that's all for the product explanation part. So now we'll get back to work to install the Brooke Race exhaust onto the GT4 RS, and later once we have the exhaust installed, of course we will start up the car, do a sound check, listen to how does it sounds with this Brooke Race exhaust system without the valves, and also we'll probably bring the car out for a few drive-bys, listen to how it sounds driving on the road. So after about an hour, we have installed the Brooke Race exhaust system on this GT4 RS, and now I have the key with me. Before we start up the car, do the sound check and bring the car out for a drive-by, I'll take a few minutes to talk a little bit more about the specs on this very beautiful GT4 RS. So first of all, this is a 2023 718 GT4 RS, and yes, it does have the Y-Sec package. So you do have this carbon hood on the front with the NACA air ducts, and also on the fenders you have this fender vents. And for the exterior, this car is painted in this very beautiful gentian blue metallic color, while for the wheels, the owner has opted the wheels to finish off in this indigo blue color. Also, this is the magnesium wheels, and right behind the magnesium wheels, the owner, he didn't actually want to go with the carbon ceramic brakes option, so he have the standard brakes instead, calipers painted in red color. Also on this car, if you notice, there is a lot of livery stickers on the car. This is specifically designed according to the owner's own preference. Then to the side, we have this carbon side mirror caps, also the side intakes, these are in carbon fiber material. Then this beautiful carbon side air intakes, and to the rear, of course, the carbon swan neck rear wing. While for the interior, the car has the standard carbon bucket seats. Behind the seats, you have the roll cage. As for the rest of the interior, basically these are all carbon fiber and Alcantara material. The steering wheel optionally finished off in Alcantara material. On the side, you have the side sills illuminated with the GT4 RS wording, and for the center console it is also finished off in carbon fiber material, while for the dashboard wise, this car has the sports chrono package and the tachometer are optionally finished off in the guts red color. And that's basically all the specs on this blue on blue GT4 RS. So now let's start up the car, listen to how does the Brooke Race exhaust system sounds like on this 4-litre naturally aspirated flat-6 GT4 RS. So this is how the GT4 RS sounds like with the Brooke Race exhaust system. This is the version without the valves. It's basically a straight pipe setup at the rear, and it sounds really good driving on the road and also in the car. It gives you the very aggressive, sporty flat-6 tone out of the GT4 RS. So let us know in the comment sections below what do you think about the Brooke Race exhaust system on the GT4 RS, and also if you are driving a Spyder RS, this exhaust system will fit on the Spyder RS as well. If you enjoy our content, like and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting contents in the future.